Okay, students, we have seen the third sum and fourth sum. How to find HCF, how to find LCM. So, in live class, okay. So, fifth one, look at the fifth question. Exercise 1.2, fifth one. Find the HCF and the LCM of the numbers 154, 198, 286. So, we have to find LCM and HCF of these three numbers. Okay, listen. Okay, look at that. So, first of all, HCF now what does it mean? Highest common factor. LCM means least common multiple. Yeah, we know that. So HCF means we have to take factors separately. So what are the numbers are given? 154, 198, 286. So you just take separately 154 taniya, 198 taniya, and then 286. Okay, first I just take 154. Okay, I just take 154. So listen, 154 I just write. Okay, and then so here we want to put some table. So the table is must be prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. We know that already. So first I look at the last number is 4. 4 must be divisible by 2. So I just put 2. So in the 2 table, how many times 154 comes? 77. 77. And then now 77 is the answer. So now look at the 77. In which table 77 will come? 2 table not possible, 3 table no. So only 7 and 11 table only 77 come. Okay, so I just take 7. 7 means how many times 7 in the 7 table 77 come? 11 times. 11 sevens are 77. After you getting 11, in which table that 11 will come? In which table the 11 will come? Only 11th table. So 11th table. So this is a factors of 154. Okay, and then same method, same process. Now take 198. Okay, take 198. Last number is 8. So 8 also. So that is mean E8 means even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So அப்படி வரும்போது you just take 2. Easily you can take 2. So what you will get? 99 times into 2, 198. 99 times into 2, 198. So in 99, 99 in which table that 99 will come? 11 table, 3 table, 11 table and 3 table. 9 table also 99 come, but we can't take. Okay, so எடுக்கக்கூடாது. So we should not take that 9th table because 9 is not a prime number. We only take the prime numbers. So 11 and 3 are prime numbers. You can take any one of these 11 or 3, whatever you want. So here I just take 3 first one, but now I take 11 எடுத்தா what does it mean? So 11, 9 11s are 99. In 9 which table 9 will come? 3 table only. So 3 table, 3 3s are 9, correct? And 3 which table 3 will come? 3 table only. So 1 3 1s are 1. So 2 11 3 3. Look at that, 2 3 3 11. Both are same only. Both are same. So HCF factors. HCF means what? And then factors of 154. Left hand side 2 7 11. Multiply that one. Factors of 198. 2 3 3 11. 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. And then 286. 2 into 11 into 13. Okay, so common. Highest common factor. Highest common factor, which means what? Common. Common means what? There are a common term between all the three. So what are the common term between these three? என்னென்ன டேர்ம்லாம் காமனாக இருக்குது? எல்லாத்துலேயும் இருக்குது. ஸோ 2 2 2 காமன். ஸோ 2 3 no, 7 no, 13 no, and then 11 11 11 common. So 3 11 is on the 3 terms. So 2 and 11 only is on the 3 terms. So 2 into 11 is equal to 22. So 22 is the highest common factor. Okay, and then LCM means what? You can you can take all the values together, 154, 198, 286 together. Okay, so I just take two table. First I just take two table. In two table, how many times 154 comes, how many times 77 times, and then 99 times is 198 will come, and 143 times is 286 will come. Okay, after that, in which table there is a common 11 table only. So if you take 11 table, 11 sevens are 77, 11 nines are 99, 11 13s are 143. So okay, so after that you just received 7, 9 and 13. Is there any common table between 7, 9 and 13? No. So we can take separate. So first you take 7 table. So in the 7 table, 7 only come. 9 and 13 will not come. So 7 table, how many 7s are there? Only one 7. 7 ones are 7. So 9 13 vara, so you can write as it is 9 and 13. After take 9 table, 9 table, how many 9s will come? Only one 9. So 9 ones are 9. So 1 as it is 1 year, and then 1 year, and then 13, because 13 will not come in the ninth table, so we can't change. After the 30 table use பண்ணும்போது, so we will get the 13 into 1. So LCM, which means what? The factors, left hand side are factors, this one. Multiply all the numbers. 2 multiplied by 11, 11 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 9, 9 multiplied by 13. If you multiply all the numbers, you will get the answer 18018, 18,018. Okay, now look at the sixth sum. What is the greatest possible volume of vessel that can be used to measure exactly the volume of milk in cans in full capacity 80 liter, 100 liter, 120 liter? So what is the question? What is the greatest possible volume of the vessel? So we want to find out the volume of the vessel. What is given? 80 liter, 100 liter, 120 liters. Okay, so we need to find out HCF of this sum. So what are the given numbers? 80, 100, 120. So first of all, HCF means what? You can take separately. First take 80. First take 80. Okay, so first take 80. So in which table you have to use? Two table. Two table use panna, how many times 80 will come? 40 times. 40 into 2s are 80. Again using two table, because 0 is an even number, so easily find out 2 is a common table. So and then 2 20s are 40, and again using two table, 2 10s are 20, and again using two table, 2 5s are 10. But again we can't use two table, because in two table we don't have 5. So in which table we have a 5 value? Only 5 table only. So 5 5 is, so 1. So okay, this is the first one. Same method. So look at that. If you take 100, second number is 100. First using two table, you will get 50, and also you can use the two table also. And also if you take two table now, you will get 25 after that. But if you take five table now, same answer only will come. Five table. So in five table, 50 where is it? 10 times. So 10 fives are 50. So 10. Again in five table, 10 empty varo, 5 twos are. So 5 twos are 10. So in the 2. So remaining is 2. In which table 2 and 2 come? Only 2 table. So again 2 table. Same method for 120. So just take 2 table is 60 times 120 will come, and then again take 2 table 30 times, and again time 2 15 times. 15 is not come from the 2 table, it come from the 5 and third table only, fifth and third table only. So if I take fifth table first, you will get the third answer. 5 3s are 15, and then 3, so 3 is comes from only third table only. So that's it. After finding all the values, what do we do? Factors of 80. What are the factors are there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. And what are the factors of 100? 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. So these are the factors, this left hand side. Okay. So after writing down common factor, what does it mean by common factor? Common term irukonu between the three. So 2 2 2, 1 2 common. Okay, so I just write 1 2 here, and then again here 1 2, here another 2, here another 2. So again 1 2 common, so I just write 2, and then here 5, here 1 5, here 1 5, and 5 right. 3 here only there, so there is no 3. So 2 into 2 into 5, which means 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the volume of the vessel is 20 liters. That's it. And look at the seventh sum. The traffic lights at 3 different road junctions change after every 40 seconds. The traffic lights at 3 different road junctions change after every 30 seconds and 72 seconds respectively. So 40 seconds, 60 seconds, 72 seconds, the traffic light signal will change automatically. If they change simultaneously together at 8 a.m. at junction, at what time they will simultaneously change together again? Okay, now I'm going to use LCM. Okay, so what are the given numbers are 40, 60, 40 seconds, 60 seconds, 72 seconds. So LCM means was you can take together. So 40 and 60 and 72. Yeah, okay. There is a very simple one. So what are the common table? Okay, take 2. In 2 table, how many times 2 40 comes from? So 20 into 2. And then 30 times 60, 36 times 72. Now look at this number 20, 30, 36. In which table you can take? Again 2 table you can take, because all are the even numbers. In the ending all are even numbers. So you can take 2 table. So in 2 table 10 twos are 20, and then 15 twos are 30, 18 twos are 36. After finding 10, 15, 18, what are the common table? So in 2 table 10 and 18 only come, 15 will not come, correct? And also third table also 15 and 18 come. So I just take third table. So you can take 2 table also, no problem. So you can take, now you take 3 table, means in 3 table 10 will not come. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 10 will not come. So varadhanala I can keep 10 as it is. 15, how many 3s are 15? 5 3s are 15. How many 6 3s are 18? 6 3s are 18. So 10 5 6. After taking, so here 5 10 both are common in the fifth table. So I just take fifth table. So 5 2s are 10, 1 5s are 5. So in fifth table 6 will not come, because 1 5s are 5, 2 10s are 10, 6 will not come. So I just take 6 as it is. And then 2 table, using 2 table you will get 1 1 6 வந்து 3 times. After 3 table you will get 1 1 1 1 1 1. So next one is find out the LCM of the term. So LCM means what? You have to multiply all the factors. Factors means what? This left hand side value, multiply all the value, which means what? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 62s are 120, 123s are 360. So 360 seconds. So 1 minute have 360 1 minute has 60 seconds. Now how many minutes having 360 seconds? 6 minutes. That's it. Now eighth one. The LCM of two numbers is 210 and their HCF is 14. How many such pairs are possible? How many such pairs are possible? Okay, what is the question? Given question, LCM value. What is the LCM value? LCM of two number is 210. So LCM value is 210. HCF value is 14. So LCM 210, HCF 14. So now I'm going to use one formula. Product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF. Product of two numbers, which means product multiplication. Multiplication of two numbers, which is equal to, answer is equal to LCM into HCF. LCM value multiply HCF value. HCF value multiply LCM value. Okay. So what is LCM value? 210. What is LCF value? 14. If you multiply 210 into 14, you will get 2940, 2940. Okay. So what are the possible ways? Two pairs. So only, so listen, if you take tree method, 2940. Okay. So it convert into two terms. One is 2 times, another one is, so 2 into, so if you divided 2940 divided by 2, you will get 1470. So here, that look at that, in the answer, after 2 we don't have any this line, after 2 we don't have any this line, after 3 we don't have any lines, like after 5 we don't have any, and after 7 also we don't any, because these are the factors, prime numbers. So after you get 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these numbers, you should not draw this line because we can't draw. That is the last term. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 all. Okay. So okay. So 2 is a one factor. So 1470. After 140, how can I separate 1470 into two parts? So 2, yes. So 2, so 2 into 735. So if you divided 1470 divided by 2, you will get 735. So 2 into 735 into 2, you will get 140. After that, 735. So 735, look at the last number is 5. 5 means was odd number. So 5 என்றது only fifth table and third table only come. Two table 5 will not come. Correct? So I can use 3 table. 3 table means 3 into 245. 3 into 245, you will get 735. After again look at the 245. 245, look at the last number is 5. 5 is comes from only 5 table and third table. So you have to check it whether this 245 comes from the fifth table or third table. So fifth table only. So fifth table is 49 times. 49 times into 5, you will get 245. After 49, so 49 in which table will come? 49 will comes from 7 table only. So 7 sevens are 49. So 7 7. So after 7 7 we can't do anything because 7 is the last number. So that is a tree method.